Okay guys, I know it's been a while. I'm going to go filming with my cousin Eric. He's got a new YouTube account. He's just a YouTuber right now. I'm gonna see if I can get him to vlog a little bit. But yeah, my birthday is, oh my god, it's on the 28th. It's on Monday. That's like a couple days, like 3 or 4, 5, 4, 5. Something like that, days. I don't know, but I'm really excited. I'm going to be 20. You know, like 19 was an okay, you know, age. But, you know, you can't really do much at 19. 20, my dad says it gets better. And then 21, it's going to be good. So, yeah, we'll see what we can do tonight. We're going to film a little bit. And, I don't know, I think Eric's going to make a video, a short film, maybe. He's just really excited to get back into editing and stuff. He's been watching a couple of my vlogs and he really wants to get back into making movies. We haven't made one in like 2 years, I think. I think our last video was Fire is Fun. But yeah, as I was saying, me, Eric, and Hoover Dog are all gonna go make a video. So if I can get some clips of that, maybe I will. If not, you'll know about it. So yeah, my birthday's coming up. Making a video and still not shaving my beard. As you can see, it's like all, yeah. Okay, so you guys know what to do. You know what to do. You need to subscribe up here, comment down here, and see you guys later. We're doing a class project.
This is what happens.
Oh my god.
AJ, we need to get that cream, right?
Yeah, actually I'm just gonna get something to eat.
What cream did you need again?
The anti-itch stuff. For my downstairs.
How are you feeling?
Stop it. I get this.
I feel like a faggot blogger right now.
Hey.
Hey.
You know what it takes to be a faggot vlogger?
A fucking vagina.
And I have a large penis.
Please note that it's missing.
How ridiculous is this? Sticky fingers? Sticky fingers? Really? What? Oh, someone clean my hands.
Let me just don't touch me, okay?
You gotta go.
Do you realize how much this week costs?
Get alcohol or drink more.
Uh-oh.
Look, I found the bat.
Treasure map. Oh, he put that down to you.
Oh, you didn't even touch your hand.
Ow, ow!
Doesn't get me
The bakery.
Now, by your demographics, I note that you are a middle-aged crack whore.
Clearly, this side says bakery.
That needs to get to the gym. You're losing a little bit. I mean, you take the steroids, you just haven't gotten to the gym. And it's, your testosterone levels are ridiculous. Just my observation. So, now, do you feel you represent Middle America? Because that's who I'm trying to represent here. What are you doing with that?
Times the dirtiest smut you'll ever read. I swear to God. I'm dyslexic. I don't know.
Put that down.
Put that down.
Put that down.
You gotta scream. Put that down.
You know, I just watched that popular flick. What do you call it? Twilight. And let me tell you something about Twilight. I really wish the werewolves would have came out from the closet, you know? They never showed their stuff. It was always the vampires doing the thing, sucking the blood, and sucking on.
No, listen.
I didn't see that movie because personally, I think
my time to
that my vampire shouldn't sparkle.
Listen,
okay?
listen. I personally think that the werewolf should have came out.
I don't know what the hell you're talking about. So
The
shut up
werewolves-
and put that down.
Point. You, sir.
What?
Yes.
Now with that. Put that down.